Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the wheel hub on a Scion FR-S. If you can tell that that's an FR-S, okay, that's our build on our main channel, guys. Make sure you check it out. It's gonna be awesome. We're fixing to paint some stuff here. We got the hood, you can see. We got it right, but we'll show you how to remove the hub now, the front wheel hub, because this one, what happened, actually somebody messed up two of the you can see the bolts here for the tires. Okay, check this one out, and they tried to fix it. That's how we got it, and that's not okay. Okay, so we need to put new bolts right now, and in order to do that we have to take the whole hub off, the whole wheel hub assembly, bearing assembly out of there. So stay with us, we'll show you how to do that now, and don't forget to subscribe. So we need to compress the brakes now. In order to do that, you can get a brake compressor, or you can stick the screwdriver between the brake pads and the cylinder. Actually between the brake pad and the disc roller itself right here. And we're going to go ahead and remove the whole, okay, the whole caliper, the whole assembly. So on the back with a 17mm right there, we have a bolt, okay, that we need to take off, which is pretty tight, and don't fall if you do that. Okay, one on top and one on bottom, those. And when you install it back, guys, make sure you get those tight, even use some thread lock on them. And the other one on the bottom now. Okay, once we remove them, we'll show you exactly where it is. Okay, just go ahead and remove the whole bolts now. And we have crazy big plans for that thing, so make sure you check out, guys, in the future, and check out our main channel, World Mechanics. It's growing crazy fast. Okay, that's what the bolt looks like right here with the 17mm socket. Okay, and you can see where it was stuck a little bit. There was a little bit of rust, even though it's a pretty new vehicle. And removing the top one now. So now you have the brake caliper out of there, and we need to get zip tie to put it somewhere. So, or you can get a wire. Okay, you can put it on the A-frame for a little bit, but make sure it doesn't fall, because you might damage the line if you put too much stress on it. So don't do that. So we'll just tie it there for the front strap, for the shock. That way it will be hanging in the air, and we will not put any pressure on the brake line. Now we are ready to remove the disc on that thing. Those rollers tend to be stuck pretty bad sometimes, but if they're really stuck, you can put two bolts here and turn one of them at a time, and with a rubber hammer you can help it a little bit. Okay, but don't put too much force in that thing, because you're going to break it. It's very fragile. Okay, guys, that's the wheel hub right here now. Alright, guys, the only thing left now, battery is about to die, I'm sorry for that, but we have 4 more bolts that we need to remove, and we're ready to pull the whole hub wheel off. Okay, you can see 1, 2 on top, 3 and 4 on the bottom. Okay, let me show you those from the back. Okay, let me get the camera there. Oh, that's where the bolts are, right there. Those bolts, just go ahead, remove these 4. Okay, let me see, this one here, this one over there, and on top you have 2 more. Okay, this and this. 4 bolts, and that whole wheel hub will come off. So hopefully the video was helpful. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.